Today we're going to continue our Scratch class. Last class we learned about the design. Today we're going to start the blocking.
Okay.
Can you show me how to delete the sprite? Yes, just click it. That's correct. Now I need you to choose your favorite sprite. Go to the sprite section. Yes. And pick any sprite you want. You can scroll down for more sprites. You want crab? Okay, click the crab. Let's check how many costumes does the crab have. Here in the costumes, this crab has 2 costumes. Can you spot the difference between the first and the second costume? The crab hands is open in the second one, but it's closed in the first one, right? Okay. Let's go back to the code. Can you pick a backdrop now? Can you pick a beach?
Beach?
You have the Malibu beach here. You have a boardwalk under. Okay, can you place the crab on the sand? That's correct. Now we have a beach with a red crab, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start making the code. First, I'm just going to explain, and then we can actually start making the code. In the coding section, you have many blocks to choose from. The first one is the motion. Do you know what motion means?
Motion means move slow.
Okay, kind of. Motion means the movements. For example, move 10 steps, turn left, turn right, go to this position, go to X and Y. Do you remember what X and Y means? X
means left, right.
Y.
Y means up and down.
That's right. Next, we have the looks. The looks are always in purple. It means the appearance of our sprite or backdrop. For example, say hello. See what happened? It has a message, right? We also have switch costume. As you can see, costume is related to here, the costumes. A or B, crab A or crab B. We have switch backdrop, which is also related to our backdrops here. Change the size and change color effects and much more we're going to learn soon. The sounds. Can you tell me what this sound is?
Flag.
A flag? It's like a pop sound, right?
Yeah.
You can find the sounds here. You can add the sound. Electric guitar, for example. And then in the code and sound, you will find it here. But we're going to learn about adding sounds later. This is what the sounds section is. It's always in pink. Next, we have the events. Here's the most important part. When flag is clicked. You can't have any code without starting with one of these. We're going to learn about when flag is clicked first. You also can have when space key is pressed, when this sprite is clicked, when backdrop switches to, and much more. The control, the wait, the repeat, the forever repeat, the if and else then, we're going to learn later. The sensing, the if it's touching this color, and we have the operators. We're going to learn about these later. The variables, we're also going to learn about these later, and my blocks, the blocks that you create. For now, we're going to stick with the events, the motion, and the looks. What are the sections we're gonna stick to.
Event, motion, and looks.
Okay. Here we can find the events. Let's press events. When flag is clicked. Let's put it here. We chose our first block. When flag is clicked. When this flag is clicked, the code will start. This is our first block. For example, let's go to motion and pick move 10 steps. Okay? Can you click the flag and see what will happen? It moved 10 steps. Now, let's pick move 60 steps. Can you click the flag? It moves 60 steps. But if we keep the move 60 steps alone without when flag is clicked, when we click the flag, nothing will happen and our code will not work. So you need to have when flag is clicked. You also have another choice of when space key is pressed. Can you click the space key and see what happens?
Yes.
The space key. It also moves 60 steps. You have many other choices to pick from. When space key, when up arrow, when down arrow, right, left, any. You also have letters and numbers. Let's pick letter Z, for example. Click Z. It moved 10 steps. But now, click B. Will it move? B is right over here. Did it move? No, it will only move if we click Z. Why? Because we put the block when Z key is pressed. First, let's stick to when flag is clicked. Now, let's let our crab talk. To make our crab talk, you have to go to the looks. Say hello for 2 seconds.
Hello.
Do you want it to say hello? Let's say something else. Let's
I
type
wanted to say Kuwait.
Kuwait. Okay. Gonna write Kuwait and we're gonna change 2 seconds. Let's keep it 4 seconds so it can stay a bit longer. Okay, let's zoom in. Now can you click the flag and see what happens?
Like this?
Yeah. It said Kuwait and it moved 60 steps, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's make it move a little bit more. Let's pick repeat and keep it in a repeat loop. Only the move 60 steps. So it will repeat. Let's pick 5 times. It will move 60 steps on a loop in repeat for 5 times. Can you see what happens now? See? Okay. Today we learned about the blocking part. We learned specifically about the events, the motion, the looks. We also used one of the control, which was repeat. We learned a basic code which moves 60 steps on repeat 5 times, and it's a message that says Kuwait for 4 seconds. Do you still remember how to save? By clicking this. Can you click it? Okay, project save. Let's see the project page. It said Kuwait and it moved 60 steps. That's the end of our class. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye bye.